Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration of using the Mojodex Assistant. Today we are going to look at how to prepare a meeting recap. Let's start by opening the Mojodex app. Mojodex is our professional digital assistant, and here we have the main interface. From this interface, we can delegate tasks to it. To begin, we'll select the meeting recap. Let's get started and be guided through the process. Mojodex asks for information about the meeting, so let's go ahead and be guided through. I've got my notes here about the meeting. How was your meeting? Record a quick summary of what was discussed. All right, so I just had a meeting with Kelly. She is the lead developer at Humano. It was about a review of the tech. So we started by a wrap-up of the week. So three main achievements, one on the mobile app, successfully shipped, the web app successfully shipped also, and also a big feature on proactive to-do list management. So just in time for the big event next week, awesome. We also talked about next week. So there's a big focus on the backend architecture. So Kelly has to organize it with the team early next week. The meeting was today, and the follow-up action from Kelly is to keep me informed about the next steps. By the way, I just noticed that as it's the first time I'm using this feature, it doesn't really know about the name, so I'm going to fix that and you will see how to do that very easily. All right, so Kelly is this, and Humano, he just fixed it because he knows. All right, so there's something important. Add a follow-up action because we did great job, and let's celebrate after the event with the team. Add this to the follow-up. As you can see, it's very easy to edit what you already processed with the assistant, because it's just like, you are talking to your assistant, right? All right, there we have it, a solid draft for our meeting recap. You can use the other tasks to get help from Mojodex to prepare a LinkedIn post, help structure an idea, or even prepare a 1-minute pitch to present your great project. In the next video, we'll see how to use the Mojodex web application. Thank you for following along, and see you very soon for the rest of this demo.